In this video, we'll be showing you where you can see all subscriptions, memberships and recurring donations on your website. First, log in as an administrator. Subscriptions, memberships and recurring donations can be viewed by browsing to Reports, Subscriptions, and then using the search form in the Manage menu, where you can search using any of the fields shown to locate the required subscriptions. You can then either click on the ID or on View Subscription from the Manage menu, which will allow you to view further information including all paid and pending payments. Your customers can access their own subscriptions via My Account and then Subscriptions, where they can view them in the same way. And that's it, you can now successfully see membership, subscriptions or recurring donations on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.